Alright guys, so I need to give you a couple other equations for lines. And one of these is the classic, like, L of x, or y, right, is mx plus b. And I just want to go over that quick. You might remember from last time that that m here, that's a slope, right? And then this b, that's what I get when I plug 0 in. So that thing there is the y-intercept. So creatively enough, we call this thing slope-intercept form. Cool? So that's our usual, right? Our usual is slope-intercept form, and that's because we can just read the slope and the intercept off of it. Here's another version, which is, all right, k of x, right, really y, is m times the quantity x minus x naught plus y naught. Now, this one's just a touch harder. But this m, what's that? That's still a slope, right? It's not go crazy, it's still a line, it's still got a slope. And then this line goes through a point. So here's the point that it goes through, right? It's x naught comma y naught. Cool? So we call this what? I think we ought to call this, well, really we should probably call it slope point form, but we call it point slope form. Okay? And the reason that there's two is that sometimes it's easier. Like, for example, when I want to write an equation for a line with slope 2 and y-intercept 3, I can just cram those pieces in, right? The slope's supposed to be 2, so I need 2 in for the m, and y-intercept is supposed to be 3, so I need to add 3, so I get L of x is 2x plus 3. On the other hand, sometimes, like in calculus class, for instance, I want to write an equation for a line with a slope through a point. So in this case, I want to write an equation for a line with slope 7 through the point 26. And again, you just cram the pieces in. So k of x, that's going to be, let's see, so I need my slope, 7. Then I need my x minus, and then I need the x point out of here, so I need a 2. And this minus has to be there. Then I need to add the y coordinate, which in this case is 6. And bam, you're done. Cool? So slope-intercept form is good when I know a slope and an intercept. And point-slope form is good when I know a slope and a point. There you go.